Which side are going to take away? General natin sila, dito pinakabay sa pag-diligent. Kaya ito for the proposition. Can you decide sa volleyball reason for the prioritization of the student? First of all, good to study when you say something. When you private study school, and the private study school, our school is education. And you will study well. I like the surrounding. How can you study well when you get unpleasant? And you can say linear form is more beautiful and private. And excuse me, how can you study well if you can't even enroll? Overall, we say we are not able to enroll a private inside school or university.
Don't you know that PUP became a popular school because of low tuition fee?
What? Again, sir?
PUP became a popular school because of low tuition fee. If many people can't afford the tuition fee, how can you even say they can enter or enroll in our school?
So, yeah, ano ba natin na so this one ba?
Ano?
Not our education. Okay, that's for
One more and I'll send you up.
For that, maybe ask other students to ask questions for the relator. How can you say that when you're being privatized? What are the things that will change? Is there a change or is there?
Will there be changes?
Will there be changes in our school? There will be a lot of changes will be happening in this world. This will be private because on the first thing, the main entrance will be given what do you call that?
ID. Electronic ID.
National ID. So,
Kanabon. Electronic.
ID. And there are lots of people, I think a lot of people here in PUP, that belong here in PUP, always passing through on the painting.
Huh?
Taga-Arab.
Taga.
There are a lot of people that not going here for study, but to play at our basketball court. Are you the topic of the guard? Let them enter. It's not that's the guard. Then we must not play the student. We play the guard. We are playing the student. If I play the student.
Wait, what's the connection of that to private station?
Yeah. We are giving the point in where
Even if you don't privatize PUP, you can have that. You have money, you have budget. But the problem is we don't have budget, right? Is that your point? If you're going to be privatized, we're going to have bigger budget so we can afford that electronic ID. You know, guys, you get a point, what is the point? More.